Tips for single home buyers. How to make your dream a reality. If you're living on your own and looking to buy a home, know that you can make your dream a reality with thoughtful planning and the right team of professionals. Over the past 40 years, the number of sole-person households has nearly doubled, and that's a trend that's expected to continue. If you fall into this category, here are 3 tips to help you achieve your homeownership goals. 1. Know your credit score. 2. Explore down payment options. 3. Think about your future home and your needs. While buying a home solo can feel like a big challenge, it doesn't have to be. If you lean on the professionals, they can help you navigate these waters and make sure you're able to take advantage of the great opportunities in today's housing market, like low mortgage rates to buy your dream home. When you're ready to begin your search, let's connect so you have professional advice each step of the way. Call John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage at 302-703-0727.